Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. This video is part 2 to a series that I created the other day called How I Make Money on Instagram. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you go watch part 1 first, just because we're going to be building on the steps that I gave you in that video in this video. Now, if this is your first time tuning into this series and you have no idea who I am or what I'm talking about, I've been a content creator for the past 9 years, and throughout those 9 years, I've been able to make a lot of money on Instagram by creating businesses. So in part 1, I talked about my hair business, and in part 2, I'm going to tell you about my fitness business, my weight loss business, my personal training business, the business that I still have till this day. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I made money with my weight loss business, and then I want you to take those same steps so that you can make money in your business. It doesn't have to be a weight loss business. The steps that I give you throughout this series can be used for any type of business. Just for clarification, I'm 25 right now. So I started a weight loss business back in high school, but it wasn't profitable. And then when I got to college, I restarted this business in 2018, and that was my first time making profit. Make sure you have a piece of paper so that you can write these steps down, or you can just come back to this video. But the first thing that I did to make money with my weight loss business straight from Instagram is I showed my transformation. The people in person obviously saw me losing weight, but if I don't post it on Instagram, the people who don't see me in person have no idea what I'm doing, which is why posting my transformation on Instagram was very life-changing, because it wasn't just the people in my city who were following me, it was people from all around the world, because Instagram has always been one of my biggest platforms, and I've always had followers from just every facet of the earth. So there were people in different states, and there were people in different countries who were able to see, this girl knows how to lose weight. This girl just helped herself lose weight. So I would post my before and after photos on Instagram so people knew that they could trust my weight loss methods. They knew that if it worked for me, then it could work for them. And they knew that I was the person who got myself to this spot, so I could be the person who could also help them in their weight loss journeys. People work hard for their money, so they want to know, why am I giving you my money? How are you credible? And with those before and after photos, I was able to show them why I was credible and why they should hire me as their personal trainer. And I never got tired of posting my before and after photos, because people see so many people on their timeline every single day. You constantly want to remind them that you are the best person for the job. They're not going to get tired of it, I promise. And if you don't feel like your Instagram is even at a point where you can start posting your transformation photos, or you can even start making money from your Instagram, I just dropped my Brand Grow and Monetize course, and it takes you step by step how to make money on Instagram, how to find your target audience, how to post the content, and how to make the money. I'm going to leave that link down in the description box below. The second thing that I did to make money with my weight loss business is I had social proof. So it wasn't just enough for me to show myself. I also needed to show that I taught my methods to other people, and they were also able to get the same results as me. Like I said, it was 2018. I was a sophomore in college at the time. I knew that I wanted to start this business, and I knew that I wanted it to make money. So after I posted my before and afters, I had somebody else post their before and afters, and I got those before and afters by training one of my friends at college. I just asked her, could I train her for free in exchange for the photos, and she said yes. And y'all, I trained her for 30 days, and the results were so good. The results were literally amazing, and she tells me how life-changing our training was for her. So what I did was I trained her for free. I got those photos, and then I posted those photos on my Instagram for other people to see. I get clients, and I can get my clients results. And most people, they want to see that you know what you're doing, but after that, they want to see how you help people, mainly because people have a sheep mentality, and it's not a bad thing. As humans, we just have a herd mentality. We want to do what the herd is doing. So when people see that other people like, know, and trust you, they are more willing to like, know, and trust you themselves. So when they saw that she was losing weight from my methods, they said, okay, I want to work with Ramani. Now, the first 2 steps was just leading up to me making money, and this third step was how I actually made money. So step 3, I created digital products. Now, this was even before digital products was even a thing thing and like people were promoting digital products, I just decided to create it because after I started posting the social proof that we talked about in step 2, people from literally all around the world, and I don't just say that lightly, like literally people all around the world wanted to train with me, and I had no idea how I was going to train them because at that moment I was only training people in person. So from the social proof, I started getting in-person clients, but when people started DMing me like, I want to train with you, I was like, okay, how am I going to help the people who are not in my city? So I started creating online programs that people could do straight from their home. I was literally giving them the same workouts that my in-person clients were getting. I was giving them the same meal options that my in-person clients were getting. So it was basically like you were still training with me, but you could just do that from the comforts of your own home, or if you had a gym membership, like basically you didn't have to be in my city or in my state or even in my country to train with me. And that made my business take off because a lot of people were not doing that at the time. And me doing that was how I started my signature program, the program that I still have today, my 30-day weight loss plan. And I actually just revamped the 30-day weight loss plan. So if you want to lose weight, like you're on your weight loss journey, because yes, we can make money, but we need to be healthy. So if you want to up level your weight loss journey, click the link down below in the description box, and you can always use the code YouTube for a discount on the 30-day weight loss plan. So just going over the 3 steps, I showed my transformation, I had social proof, and I created digital products, and that was how I made money on Instagram. And anybody can make money on Instagram, but I want you to remember that your Instagram is kind of like your storefront. So if it doesn't look good, people are not going to shop with you. So if you know that your Instagram is not doing what it needs to do to make money, I want you to get the course. This is not just me saying, oh, go buy my course, go buy. No, I know what I'm doing. I'm literally making this video about making money because my Instagram looked good enough for people to even want to pay me. So make sure you grab the course. And again, if you want the 30-day weight loss plan, it's going to be linked down below, and I'll put some results up on the screen just so you can know what you're getting yourself into. I want you to leave a little cashback emoji in the comments just to let me know if you've made it this far in the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like to see more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.